Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the best SD card readers for smartphone. Top 5 available on Amazon. Number 1. Samsung Pro Plus microSD memory card. Introducing the Samsung Pro Plus microSD memory card plus adapter. With a massive 512 GB capacity, it captures seamless 4K videos and offers fast read-write speeds of up to 180-130 MB per seconds. The UHSI V30 rating ensures sharp 4K playback, while the A2 rating provides storage for apps and games. It's protected against water, temperature, X-ray, magnet, drop, and wear out. Trust the #1 flash memory brand for reliability. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Sandisk Extreme Pro. Introducing the Sandisk 128 GB Extreme Pro SDXC UHSI memory card. It supports computers, digital cameras, home theater devices, car navigation systems, and smartphones. Save time with up to 200 MB per second card offload speeds. Pair it with the Sandisk Professional Pro Reader SD and microSD for maximum speeds. Enjoy shoot speeds up to 90 MB per second. Perfect for 4K Ultra HD video and burst mode photography. It's UHS Speed Class 3 U3 and Video Speed Class 30 V30 rated. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Teamgroup GO. Introducing the Teamgroup GO microSD XC UHSI card. It's U3 version 30. Designed for action cameras and GoPro, it supports 4K shooting. With read and write speeds up to 100 MB per second and 90 MB per second, it delivers outstanding preserve and transfer performance. Built to last in extreme environments, it offers waterproof, dustproof, X-ray-proof, and cold-resistant protection. It's an eco-friendly product with a lifetime warranty and free technical support. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. PNY Elite-X. Introducing the PNY Elite-X microSD UHSI memory card. With up to 100 MB per second read speed, it offers fast performance. It has Class 10, U3, V30 ratings for recording 4K Ultra HD videos at frame rates of 60 and 120 FPS. The A1 performance enables faster app running, ideal for smartphones, tablets, action cameras, drones, and more. Store and transfer high-resolution videos, photos, music, files, and documents. Includes an SD adapter for SDHC device compatibility. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Inland Micro Center. Introducing the Inland Micro Center Class 10 microSDHC flash memory card with adapter. Suitable for smartphones, tablets, game consoles, digital cameras, and more. With read speeds up to 80 MB seconds and write speeds up to 15 MB seconds, it allows fast transfer and storage of music, photos, videos, and files. It's rated UHSI Speed Class 1 and Speed Class 10 for smooth Full HD video recording. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.